Hey guys, this is xJCSx back with part 4B of my event editing tutorial. And where we last left off, we were trying to just make this custom event in the game with like the waterfall cliff, replacing the scene where the old man meets Locke and all that. Okay, so back to where we were at. We were trying to make we were gonna go. I was gonna backtrack and I was gonna try making Locke walk all the way up to the edge of the cliff. Okay, so let's find the first action cue that we first edited, which should be right here. Okay, we're gonna edit this and we're gonna make him go up a little bit more tiles. Okay. I think I have an idea of how I can do this. I can show you guys. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just demonstrate this real quick. Okay, real quick. 8E, 82. Error. 84. Oh, that's right. I changed all these. I forgot. I'm dumb. 84. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take a little stab in the dark here, guys. I think I'm gonna try doing this. Okay, I think this. I really do think this will work. Okay, let's see. I'm going to FD all these right here, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to use the B0 executable because I used it in one of my videos, I think. Did I use it in one of my videos? No, I have not showed the... I don't think I've showed the B0 command. Let me pause the video real quick. I want to make sure. I want to see if I have. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. No, I have not showed you guys this. The reason I was confused is because I've done so many of these videos. I've had to redo so many because I didn't like them. So I can't really tell what I've showed you and what I haven't. But I don't think I've showed you guys the B0 command. The B0... Wait, I think I have... Have I? Okay, the B0 command, unless I haven't, it's like you can execute things over and over, okay? So you can go like B0. Wait, I have showed you, yeah, but anyways, you can do B0. The next byte that follows could be like 04, so that would say execute the following 4 times. And the bytes that follow will be executed 4 times, or whatever that number was you entered. And then you would always end it with the B1 to say end block of repeating commands. So what we're going to do, because there really is no ID to make Locke go all the way up to the cliff, there's no moving action byte, the highest you can get is 8. We're going to use a B0 to make him repeat the same thing and go up, okay? Execute the following 4 times, and we're going to make him go up 3 tiles. Wait, I don't think I'm on the wrong script, yeah. Sorry, guys. Up 3 tiles. So 88, 88, and then we're going to FF this, okay? Oh wait, I missed a crucial step. You gotta be in an action queue for this guy. Then you gotta put 88, then FF. So count that 1, 2. So that'd be 02. And then B1 right here to end block of repeating commands. So if all goes well, Locke should go up 3 times, 4 times. Hope that made sense. So that should be more bytes than what we can get regularly. I also wanted to demonstrate the B0 command. Yeah, I think I did something wrong. Okay, scratch that, guys. The B0 command can be very tricky. Let's just stick with what we had, okay? We're gonna make him go up. Let's make him go up 8 tiles. And this video is not gonna be crappy like the other ones. Up 8 tiles, 9C. So right here, 9C. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna FD this command. This is gonna be the byte that tells us how much it stores, and we don't know that yet, so just FD it real quick. Up 8 tiles. We'll make him go up 6 tiles. 9, 4. And then we're going to make him go left up 1 times 1. Left up 1 times 1. A3. So A3. And then we're going to make him face up. And then we're going to make him FF. Well, in this queue, now we're going to go back here and we're going to count from this byte. And we're going to count all the way to the FF. I'm not sure if I explained this already, but if you want to count to see how many bytes your action queue stores, you start with the byte that's going to be how much it stores. And you count all the way and stop before you get to the FF. So you count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's gonna be 5. And whenever you make your own action queues, you can change it to either 05 or 85. So I'm gonna stick with 05 because I can read that a lot better. So if all goes well, you know, you should go up. If not, it might have to be 85. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it needs to be 85. In all honesty, 85. If this doesn't work, then yeah, I'm gonna try pausing the video because I mean, I could have broken it. I don't know. There we go. Okay, maybe he went up a little bit too many. Let's see. Okay, we made him go up 8 tiles, and then we made him go up. Let me see. 6 tiles. So let's make him go up like 4 tiles. That should be enough. 8C, and then we're gonna make him face left. That should be like just right on. And we're gonna FD this. No, wait. Yeah. Okay, so this should work. It should, in theory. Then again, everything's in theory until you start it out. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Whoa! That was... Yeah, I don't know what that was. Anybody know what that was? I'm thinking this FD command shouldn't be placed inside of an action cube. Let's just make him face left again. Let's test it out. Sorry guys, I'm messing up so much. I mean, I really can't do this perfectly. It's pretty hard. There we go. That's pretty good. Took you long enough. Now, we're going to change all that text later on, but for right now, we're not going to worry about it. Now, what we're going to do right here is, let's see, 73. Okay, we don't want to mess with that 73 command. That 73 command is replacing something with the map, like right here. So here it is. Begin action cube. Yeah. Let me see. So right here, we already edited this part. Then they play sound effect. Then there's that 73 command. And then we have the action cube for object 11. And what we're going to do right here is we're going to kind of replace object 11, okay? Real quick. We're going to FD this entire action cube for object 11, which is actually the little kid. And we're not going to make him face left, okay? We're going to FD that, and then we're going to exit out of this thing. Now, before we exit out, just so we can get back here really quickly, go ahead and copy this little thing right here, this address, so that way we can get to it quicker whenever we boot it back up. Okay. So we're going to actually save the, whatever we call it, Windhex. Now we're going to go back, we're going to go into FF3 USME. And I'm going to show you guys a very, very, very good tip that really help you out whenever it comes to your, I don't know why I did that, your custom event building, okay? So go into FF3 USME, and this is recommended big time. Open up a state, and we're going to open this one up because it's the one we're editing. Okay, now what we're going to do is, because I want to have this scene play out as Locke running up, and then he's going to ask the little boy, hey, do you know where where the town called Narshe is, or where Narshe is, okay? And then the boy's going to be like, no, I don't, but those two texts that are going to happen, no, the boy's going to know where it's at, but those two texts that's going to happen are going to be the exact, are going to be different IDs, okay? And what I mean by that is, let's take a look at this, okay? This right here is saying, there's the town, and this is the beginning of the game. And then this right here is saying, hard to believe an S person found there, blah, blah, blah. This is basically the EOP command. You see these commands right here in the table, in the text editor? The EOP command is basically creating a new body of text, and the text that follows is going to be in a new box, while still being the same ID of text. So let's see, we erase this EOP command, and then save the game. Apply. It would all go right here, and it would all kind of get all cluttered together, okay? So the reason they used that EOP command was because it looked better and it looked cleaner, you know? And I recommend you use the EOP command a pretty good bit, okay? So that's kind of what that is, and that's still the same ID of text. You can put a million EOPs and it'll still be the same ID. The only reason you're going to want to limit your EOPs is to kind of make sure you don't just have your characters become a name, okay? Like, you want them to be moving around and animating. So now you might be thinking, like, we're going to add two IDs of text in this scene, but we only have one ID of text to work with until that little, until his, Locke song comes in and they let you change his name, okay? Just think about that, because we only have one ID of text, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to find some text in the game that we don't care for, okay? And this is very recommended. Now, I know some text that's actually not used, okay? It's, right here. This no, get away from me. I really don't know where this text is located in the game, but I'm pretty sure it's not anywhere in Narshe. So we're going to edit this, and we're going to pretty much make it whatever we want, because we're going to redo it, okay? So we're going to make this Locke, or because we haven't named him yet in the game, we're going to make him man, okay? Hey, lad, do you, I can't type today, know where Narshe is? And then now what we're going to do is we're going to go in the event script, and we're just going to go ahead and find this ID for this text, okay? Because this is not the ID. Like, 36 is not the ID. Some people have been saying that, but it's not. And remember that text was, no, get away. Okay, wait. From me. Okay, guys, I'm not doing so good with this. Okay, maybe this text is not used at all, like not even in the event script. Okay, let's just forget about this, okay? Let's go to something else, like she's up there. Man, because it's not even in the event script, that's pretty bad. Hey, lad, do you know where Narshe is? Okay, so we're going to do that, and that'll be good text, okay? And the original text was she's up there. So what we're going to do is we're going to type she's up there. There we go. And the ID for this text is 23, okay? So we're going to keep it right here, and then we're going to go back, and we're going to save. We're going to go and hit OK. We're going to hit save, and then we're going to exit out, okay? So go back into Windhex now, and make sure you have that address, because it's going to be a lot easier to get to it. If not, then you're bad. Okay, there it is. I'm about to say, where's it at? Okay, and the address for this ID was, or where we were at, was right here. This is the address, that spot where we previously were. Okay, so here we go. We emptied this entire action queue for the character, okay? So we're gonna replace it with the thing, okay? Now let me get back to it. Let's see what these bytes that follow first were, okay? Because I want to make sure this doesn't look like corny or anything. This is what we just erased right here, this entire spot right here, to end queue, and they just replaced something, and then locks. Okay, yeah, this will work. This will work. Locks gonna be talking, so we're gonna put 4B23. Now, if you wanted it to have no text box, you could put 40. Or if you wanted to have a text box, you can put 00, okay? So 4B2300. And then that should work. And we can kind of replace this. Yeah, we're just going to see if the text box appears, okay? So what we basically did was we found some text because we didn't have enough in the beginning. We didn't have enough text that we wanted to make our own scene. So we found some text in FF3 that we didn't care for. We edited it. Then we went in the event script. We found the ID for that text. Then we found an action queue in the game that we didn't care for. We FD'd it. And then we inserted the 4B23, okay? So that's what we did. That's how you insert text if you need text, that's what you do, okay? So what should happen is Locke should go up there and then he should start talking. Hey lad, do you know where Narsha is, see? And still everything else is gonna be pretty bad. The guy's kinda mad. Yeah, that'd be strange. But yeah, that's that. And I think I might just make this text invisible so you can see everything better, okay? I wouldn't really recommend you do it for the beginning part, but I mean, I think we should so much enjoy just make the game with no text boxes at all, because it looks pretty cool. Adjusting my mic here, sorry guys. So yeah guys, this is it right here. Hey lad, do you know where Narsha is? And now that I think about it, we need some music. Like this I know y'all my system audio is gonna be out when I upload this video, but we do need some music for this map, okay? Now remember these bytes that these F4 commands that played sound effects? We're gonna go back to them and we're gonna change it and we're gonna make a song, okay? So remember that we FD'd them, so they're gonna be FD, okay? So let's fade in a song, okay? Let's find a good song, and I recommend you just go to Nattak's table, which is right here. Don't better look at my email. Nattak's got all the ID number hex bytes for the songs, okay? Yeah, I'll just go ahead and scroll down. Let's find a good song, and let me check my time real quick. Oh, okay, I gotta split this video into 4C. See you guys. I'll be back right where we were at.